Hi everyone, today is Excel BI, Excel Challenge 802, and this is the contribute by Craig Runciman. So today's challenge is about this one. So we have a group of number and then condition and possible candidate of each group here. So A can be 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, and 10 here. And then we have to apply condition that less than C, which is 5, 7, 9, and like, oh wait, and so the possible candidate now is 10 is still possible because 10 is less than 13, but combine all these rule we will limit to some possible answer. So okay, let's try this. I'm already done yesterday, but this is quite challenging one, and then this is my formula before, but let's try again. So I already download the file here, and this the condition. Okay, so this one, the main challenge of this is like we have to make this condition dynamic. This means we can add or change any of this condition, and then formula will apply. So first, that if we want to do this calculation, we have to replace the group name with candidate, and then like this one have C. This means C can be 5 on this list, have to be all, and then A have to be all this list. So let's get all possible candidate within pair. So okay, I'm start like this. Gonna start with okay, with this. Then with any of this, I will slowly combine everything together. So okay, I'm gonna start with blank, reduce this one, and go with C. And the AV, as usual, I use AV, and then A and regex extract. Yep, should be. Oh, I can just go text split V with comma space. Now we have this, and then this is the first time. Then with this, I go to call to make it into like this, and then I can add another one of B here in this column. So this one is gonna be more. So with this, I'm gonna add some delimiter first. Okay, so we have delimiter at the front, and then next time we can go like this, and it's keep. So 1 with 3 here, and then 1 with 4, 1 with 5, 1 with 6, 7, anything, and then I can go all. So this will be 4 number on each row, and then there are all 750 possible. So this is what I'm started, and then I have to extract each column out to make sure that first column belong to A, second column is B, third column is C, and then the fourth column is D. So I'm gonna use group here. Let G will be my group. Then with this G, I know that I have 4 numbers, so I can separate this by that 4 number. So now I'm gonna use this one. Text after, because I use space as delimiter, I'll go with space here. And with 4 number, I can go sequence of count. Okay, I can go with rows on G here. With this, text after, okay, miss one. We go with this, and then this one will extract number after first space, second space, third space, and the fourth space. And then I only want the first one. This one will be text before, or text split with arrays work the same thing. So I'll go with text split, a little bit shorter. Go like this. Now I got all this, and then this one belong to A, B, C, and D. Now, with this, I can replace condition on alphabet and then on the other side like this. So I'm gonna call this one with N. Yep, I still keep it as text, so this is N. Then with condition here, I want to replace C with the third column and then A with the first column, so I can, okay, just go with C. Then if it's C, I want to know how many, like if I have, okay, wait, before that, there are two conditions in the same row, then I have to split. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one for sample. Okay, let's go with sample here. I have this. Oh, challenge is so hard, bro. Okay, thanks, Ton. It's hard, but it's have an easier way, but it's required. Okay, I'm just go with this first. So if I have this, it means I have to replace D with this column, replace B with this column, and then replace A with this column. This means I need to know how many alphabet in this one. So I go with regex extract with alphabet PL and 1. Oh, okay. So this is the alphabet, and then I have to replace D on this to get the number on that one. Okay, I have candidate. Okay, I think I'll just have to use D as candidate here. This one will be CD. And with D, I need column 4. So I mean I have to match this one with G and then get the number on this fourth column. So okay, how do I start? Okay, CO will be condition. Let's go with this. This one will be CO. And then I'm gonna X match this one based on G. I have the column number, which is 4, 2, and 1 here, and then I have to replace back into this one by one. Yeah? Can I go replace it all? Yep, I can replace all at one time. Can I? Regex replace. No, I have to replace one by one. Okay, replace one by one. I use reduce on CO on this number. No, the number have to be matched. Okay, I cannot use. I have to do the match later. Okay, so this one return B, deduct C, B, and A, and then okay, lambda A and B again. Now I want to do the substitute. Can I? Yep, substitute A with V. But for each V, I'm gonna substitute the candidate from each column here. Mean I have to go with X lookup. No, it's on different. Okay, index N, which is all discrete on the column that match the alphabet. So this one would be X match on V on G. Close. Now I have all the stuff here. So all the possible. Then this one also need to compare with the C column. So I mean with this I have to go with column C. Okay, now okay, I just go with C manually first. So that's mean index N on column 3 and this. So this will be all the term. And then with this, if I use macro with not macro, UDF with evaluate, this one can deal everything here. So I already have that one eval here, and this will return true or false without have to extract anything. And then this macro is F11 is quite simple here. So this is what I use. This one I deal with array, so the main part is this part, which is VBA function that can do the evaluation, and then it will evaluate based on this one, which is quite useful here. I can deal with this one, and then there will be some of this will be true, so I can filter. Okay, I'll filter all this when this is true. So now I limit to just 12 row of this candidate here, and then when I apply all this rule on everything, then the remaining will be the part that answer is possible here. But this is too easy because that evaluate everything by the rules here, and if I fail, I'll just go to do with this later. But now I want to do it in pure formula way without VBA here. Okay, just keep this away, and then I'll just try my own way. I still have to use this. Okay, so with this, I'm just gonna keep this part out. And now I want to do the evaluation, but you can see that we have not just equal sign, we have less than, or greater than. So with evaluate this one, I only want the math operation first. So here with this, oh, another thing about math operation, there will be the rule which is PEMDAS, which is stand for parenthesis first, and then E for exponential, which is power. Multiply and divide is in the same level, so this is not multiply and divide, division. And then addition and subtract is later. So so all of this have to be in this order, parenthesis. So that means we want to look for only this math operation from this one. So it means we have multiply here and divide. We want to do multiply first from left to right, and I can deal with that. And then there are another problem. If the number go negative, it means this one will become like 8 multiplied by -3. I haven't deal with this one with my formula yesterday, but I want to deal it now. So with this negative, it quite confusing that this is the negative number or the minus subtract operation. So to make this clear that the minus is not the subtract operation, I have to add something to differentiate between normal operation sign or the minus sign for number. So instead of just this, I think I might need the space before number here. So with this, I need to add space. Yep, I need to add space before and after. Before is enough. Am I? If I look for number before, yep, before should be enough. So I just, when I look up for operator, I have to look for the number plus the operator and space and then number again. This one should be better. So let's try get the operator. I mean, if I have, okay, start with one part, one cell here. Oh, another thing, I don't want that equal sign. I can keep it. Can I keep it? Yep, I can keep it. No problem. So this will be the condition. I use CO already. CD, okay, CON, condition. CON. Keep this in mind. I'll just put it away. So with condition, first symbol that I found is like, okay, I want to extract symbol first. So that's, I would know that how many times I want to operate this one. So this will be 2 times, but 2 times is have to be exclude the minus sign in front of this. So I have to extract this one. Oh, okay, wait, CO. I can extract from this first time. Yep, okay. So with this one, I can do regex extract. For operator, oh, I also have that. I'm not sure if I. So inside the bracket, I can use plus, minus, multiply, divide. But if I put this exponential at front, this means all will be negative. But I wonder if I can put it here. Not sure. So 1. So this is good. How about if I have something else like 8 power 2, this, and this one extract this. Okay, I'm not sure. Let's try. Equal to this. So it can extract. This means this is good enough. Yep. So I mean this one I have to do 4 times, and then now we need to deal with the operation order. So if I put this one here, it means I have to do the exponential first, and this one is the order from this is from left to right only. It doesn't care about the operation order PDMS here. So the way to deal with this one, I have to extract this in layer. Okay, I mean with this to regex extract each layer of this one. So with this, I have to extract in layer. So first one will be this. I also need space, but I will add later. Second one will be multiply and can I just go like this? Okay, should be okay. And then the last one will be negative and positive. Right? Oh, okay. So this one require this. Okay. So now the extract order will be followed by the operation here, and then I only want the first one. So this one will be to call with 3 and get the first one only. So this one will be the first order to do. Okay, so this could be used. Now I go back to this one. This is how many times I have to do this. So I'll go, okay, reduce on CON. Do it 1 time first. So I put add sign here and then lambda A, and this is not using. Then, okay, regex extract A on this. Oh no, have to be this. This one will be A cross. Now I expect the multiply. Oh wait, I have to add space to make sure. I don't want space, but I need a space. Oh, okay, I can add space here. Yep, okay, now I have multiply with space. So this will be my operation. Let O is this one. This is gonna be long. Okay. So when I got this operation, I want to do the calculation inside the bracket. That means I need number in front and number behind. And the number can be negative. That means I need the negative sign as optional, and then there could be decimal, which is I also need dot and number later. So I need pattern for digit. D will be pattern for digit, which is I'm gonna put it in group here. First one will be negative, is optional. Number can be more than one, and then option here is for decimal, so I put dot like this, and then the plus, and this one will be optional, which is another question mark here, and this. But I don't want to count this group, so this is make it non-counting group. I only count for the first group here, so this one will be D. Oh, comma. Then I can have the number with this one, so D and O and D. This one will be pattern to capture number on that operation, which I can, if I use regex, extract on A, on this. Okay, oh wait. Extract. I thought I would get the whole package, but no. What's wrong? The O. Okay, wait. So these are the operation. Then regex extract. If I regex extract this with this, I thought I would have the whole, but no. So something is not right. Oh, okay, I got it. Because that multiply sign, the star is acting like 0 to many, not the star sign. Okay, I have to add. Okay, I have to add slash sign to make the star sign is the star sign. Okay, so this is better. So now I have this, which is better. Okay, just extract A on this. Okay, so if I got this and then I do the calculation inside this, which is like 8 multiplied by 3 equal to 24, then I can replace this one with number. So if I change this one, but just replace this with number 24, I will have like this, and this one will be able to do the calculation. But the problem is I have to do the calculation. So with this one, I need the first number and the second number, and then the operation, which is I already have all here, and then do the calculation inside. This means I need to extract first number, but then with this, I have both, which is fine. Yep, which is fine. I just need to do another extract on each one. Can I? Yep, I can do text split, text before, text after. Okay, I can, but I don't want. There are so many methods to do this, but if I do regex 2 times, yep, okay, I just do that. So this will be NON, number, oration, and number. Then if I want the first number, extract again. Can, but I'm gonna do another. Okay, I have comment. Those challenge are tough. Yep, this one is tough. Okay, I'm gonna do text split with operator. No, won't work. I have to go text before and then text after. Yep, okay, go with that. So first number will be text before NON, and this operator, I put this one, OP will be the operator. We have power, multiply, division, positive, adding, and subtract. So this one will be OP, and this will be N. Okay, first number. And then the second number will be just text after M. How to find the right regex pattern? A lot of practice. I'm not sure. I not really good at regex, but I just know some that can be used on this one. So okay, the second number I call it M, and then this one will be text after NON, and then I know that there are space here, so I just go with space. So this will be M. Okay, and then the operation I already have that one. So O is this one, and then with this I can use switch to do the operation. So that's me. I'm gonna go with switch. One thing about this one is switch will do the whole calculation after that. I mean, if I have operation, no, if I have like 5 results, it will calculate all 5 results here, which can cause slowness. So okay, go with if. Next if will just do the operation when condition is met. But it longer, but it faster. So if O equal to what? Okay, first one, I need space because I have space here. Yep. Okay, go with this one. Then that will be N power by M. Okay, let's go with this. Next if, slow, but I can go with choose. Choose also work. Okay, I can go with choose. Choose also work, and it just calculate based on what it have. Okay, that is better. So I can X match for O with OP. Or my OP doesn't have space. This one has space, so I just trim this one. Okay, I can just left. Okay, left this. I will get number, and number 2 is multiply. Okay, I can go with this. Choose this one. First one, power exponential n power by m. Second will be multiply. Third will be device n by m, and then plus and subtract m. So this will be the number after operation, and then with that pattern I can replace this. So I can replace, no, regex replace the non, no, a with non onto this. Now I change all the, oh what, non is, wait with one, thought I gonna, it's already replaced the, wait, it replaced, no, something is messed up. Okay, non, I have this. Oh, with that multiply, it also add this one as multiply. I cannot use. Oh, okay, I go with pattern, not the multiply. Okay, so this I have to replace with this instead. Okay, this will be pattern. This will be pattern. Then I can go regex, replace on a, on pattern, on, oh, wait. Okay, this one have to be pattern. Okay, this one, pattern. This is pattern, and this pattern. Okay. So now I replace the number with pattern like this. Then if the number is in, one number is in bracket, that means I can remove the bracket and continue with the next calculation. So this one gonna be another regex replace this part. And oh wait, another thing is regex replace can be replaced multiple occurrence at the one time. So I only want to replace the first one. This is the one I didn't add yesterday. Okay, and with this I go another regex replace. If the bracket contains space and number plus, which is the digit I defined before. So this is D and D, and close bracket had to be this mark sign and this. And then I only want the number inside, so I just want to remove bracket. So I have to add group here. So group will be like this, and another group will be this. This will be group 1. So now I only assign group to this digit, and then I want to return only number in the group, which is S1 here, and close. Okay, put it beside. Now I remove bracket, but if there are not some operation inside the bracket, it will not remove that. So this is the case. So if I, let's say, if I do regex replace on this one, because number is separate by operation and then number, so this one will do nothing. But if I go on this, it will remove the bracket, which is what I want to do in the calculation. So this is one time. And then if I remove this add sign here, it will continue the rest. Now it's become equal to 24, like this. Then with this, I can compare value from what I grab number from, which is from C here. Then with C, I will select column 3 on this, and then compare if it equal or greater than or less than. So it means with this condition, I can take from group, and from group I can take the column number and then get the condition. So let's change that. This is condition, and the group will be really bad with variable. Okay, I'll go with B. Okay, this B is this. Then the condition will be, wait, then I can have the index number, which is X match on B on G. Now this one will return number 3. Condition will be index of this by I. But I want this one to be scalar because most of the thing that if we do array in array here, it will not extract the other value, but just the first one. So I put @ sign here. Okay, this one is for sample here. So if I have this, and then I index this one by 3, go with this, we can see that F9 here, we can see bracket inside here indicate that this one is array with one value. And then if I go regex extract, okay, just go with dot with 1, it will not extract all the number here because this part is array. So if this part is scalar, I can put like column 1 here, it will extract more. So it's this one called spill here, go like this. Okay, dot dot like this. So add also work the same way, but if it's still array, I need plus sign to make sure this one is array. It will extract only the first one, and then this is what most people could miss. So back to this, I put add here, and then this do the all the operation. Now I need to compare. So the compare part will be this sign, which is I also need I need equal sign greater or less than. So okay, this will be the last result. Hell, okay, I don't know. E go with E here. Now I need the operation. Oh no, comparison. This means I have to regex extract again from condition. Oh, I use the same variable. Oh no, I can still use this. And then with this, I should get the oh, I need plus sign. Okay, plus sign B. So this one, because it can be equal, less than equal, or anything. So this is the operational. And again, operational, we have equal. What? Equal. Have some more. Equal, greater than, less than, greater or equal, and then less than or equal. So like this. So I can X match on this code to get the number. And then I can use the choose again, choose to compare with the result. Oh, I have to replace all this out. Okay. Wait. So this part, no, this part, I don't need the comparison. I have to get rid of that one before. Okay. This will be the operation UCO. Okay. Compare CP with this. Wait. CP. I think I'm lost. CP with this. Okay, I'm just go with the CP compare equal sign. E is this. So with this E, I don't want the operation. This is reduced. Wait, how can I? Oh, this. I lost. Condition. Oh, this is the main calculation here. Views. So this is the main calculation that I don't want the sign here. So I have to remove from this part. Text after. DP. Okay, now I only get the number. So this will be the number part from calculation. Calculation number CN. And this one have to be number. Then I have to compare with column 3 because it's the group. So okay, I also need number, and number will be NI, will be index of N column I minus. Okay, I go with IN CN. Oh, okay. Then if I accept IN and CN, I will have the value that I have to compare with and the result. And then with the result from, I delete it. Okay, wait. Okay, I need this. Now I want to compare the result. I don't want to retype. Just copy this one out. Okay. Oh. Wait. Okay, NI and CI. Okay. Now I can do choose X match on comparison on this array. Get the number. And then if it's the first one, then will be NI equal to CN, right? Calculation number. Okay. Second will be more than third will be less than, this one will be greater than or equal, and then less than or equal. So this will be the conditional, and then I can filter out on the n to get possible candidate. So like this, now I have 12. So this is the main part, and then with this I can continue on the other operation. But now that wait. So this is the calculation. Just move this part away. So this is just one condition. And then for each, if I want to run, I have to run based on this one. So B will be running from all A, B, C, D, and then this condition can be more than one at a time. So this one will be text split based on ampersand like this. So this means each row can be more than one condition. I have to nest another lambda, nest another reduce for that. So let's try that. So if this is column 4, okay, let's try with 1. I got NA. What's wrong with NA? Okay, this will be F filter. How about CN? Okay, I got NA from CN, which is my main calculation, which is bad. Okay, I got it. This one, I don't have any operation at all. I only have C. So this one will return NA. Yep. This regex extract will return NA, and it won't do anything. Okay, so it means if NA here, if NA that, okay, a little bit confused. Okay, if I go with con, okay, if it NA, I only want the con, so this means this one will be text after. C number NO, okay. Number operation, this will be NO, to be NO, okay, only number. And then if this pass it NA, I want NO. Okay, go with F. Now it's better. So this is the first one, and then if I have more than one, got value because the operation had to be separate by ampersand. So here, this CO, this one had to be separate into two conditions and then continue from that. So, okay, this part, reduce on, I think it's have to reduce from n, because I have to keep track on the n. Okay, and then anything related to n have to go below. Okay. Go below here. So this part have to be text split on this by ampersand, and then I have to keep n, so lambda n again with this with CO. Okay, with CO, and I already have CO, so I can get rid of this. The next part of this lambda is the most crucial part, so this one will be let, and cross, reduce value array. Okay, bracket here, function no value. Wait, so this is what I got wrong. This is what worked before. So if this have two condition, then this one will be error, because I have to do text split. This one based on this, based on ampersand, and then take the first one. Okay, it still work. It doesn't work when I apply. Okay, reduce. So this is, so if I go another reduce here from n, from this part, this will be lambda n and CO. I can get rid of CO here. Then I can go with let this. Okay, now this one still work. Then if I get rid of n, now this one will really split. Okay, now it's work. Okay, so this is one of the lambda reduce that I nest out. Now I have to go another reduce with nest on each group of this one. So this one have to be vary from G. So this one will be this part. Then have to go another reduce with n again, and this will be G, lambda n and b. B will be this, and then I will be that. So this one will be another let this. Cross value. Okay, keep this one, go back. So this is value. If I go with just first item on G, this still work. If I take second, still work. Third one, still work. Fourth one, value. Okay, so it's error at the fourth one. Which means if I go this become error. Oh, debugging is not fun. We have two conditions here. Oh, I see something. Because this one contain number, contain number, and then my regex is extract space and number, just not just number. Yeah, I guess this one caused me the error. So if I go more, so if I go just the first one on the text split of this, it should still work. Yep. But if I go on the second item, index, this one with 2, yep, because number doesn't have space in front. So I have to add space in front of number. Okay, let's try that. Text split. No, I can just go with this one. Regex replace this one. If it number plus, then I want to go add space, and oh, this one have to be in bracket. Space and S1. Huh? Oh no, regex replace here. Replace. Okay, now I add space here. We should work. Where should I apply that condition? Condition will be, okay, this part. So I will regex replace this with number, which is D here, and space S1. Okay. Then go with this. Okay, work. Now I can reduce with the whole reference. No way. Oh no. Oh, okay, index. I don't need index. Okay, wait. Index. G. Oh, finally work. And this is the result here. Okay. Now I can get this, and then with this result, I just have to transpose. Yeah, this is all result. Okay, I'm just put RS here. And then the final result will be transpose RS, and then make it number minus. Okay. Now that this one is work, I can like change some condition. Okay, put it here. The most condition that possible is equal sign. So if I add greater than, oh, now it's still. Okay, just put this one away or chip down. Now I will have more than, so I can count how many columns on this. I'll get 127, and then I can add some more condition, like if it's like n equal to a plus b. No, this is a. Have to be b plus c minus c. No, it's not match. More than. So I can add more condition. Let's see. Okay. Multiply by 2. What condition should I add? D is the biggest number, so D here minus 2 Okay, d minus 2 is not good. Okay, this is just a more than d. So a is more than d is good. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now I think should be work from now on. And let's compare with my previous. Which one is better? And better, I think this one is better. The latest one is better because it can deal with the number with negative. This one that cannot. So just for fun, then formula text. Oh, this is longer, but I think this cover more. Okay, now this one is work. Let's try with the evaluate function that can simple everything here out. So, but now I have to think, when should I apply that evaluate? Okay, when should I apply that? Okay, I'll just grab the part. Which part? So the part that I delete this? Okay, I'm not delete this one yet. So this one should be useful. This one. And now I don't need any space before number. So I don't need space here. And then with this, I can apply directly the whole equation to get true false. Okay, B, okay, grab from this one. B is this one, and then I will be, okay. I still need N, right? Okay. B will be this. Okay, just get the one. Okay, B this, and then I will be this. Then the condition will be index of this by I. And then I can add all the condition with this index n I and this. So this will be all the condition. And with this, I can go with eval, which is my lambda UDF function. Now I directly get true false. I can filter n with this. Oh, filter here. Okay, filter n with this. Now I can go to the next loop. Then do the same. Each part have to be separate by condition. Reduce this part n here, and then this one will be text split at lambda co, no, lambda n and co. I don't want this. Actually, I can just go filter directly here without any variable needs of filter. And with that eval directly, this work. What? Oh, text split. Too many. Text split with ampersand. So this is the loop within one row, and then I have to loop within the group. in another reduce here with G, with N and G, lambda, NB, and I need I 2 time. Okay, so let I is this, and then this is cross. Okay, so with evaluate here, I don't have to do that hard stuff with extract. So this part will be just transpose and minus here. Okay, so this one get the same. So this is eval, which is a lot easier. So I'm gonna share this one, and then I'm gonna put the eval UDF function. Okay, I just do it now. So this is my eval function. So put this one in anything if you need. Personal, I put in here UDF that I can call, but so another text box, insert text box. Where is it? Comment, no. Okay, picture, not picture, shape. Okay, here. So this is the UDF, and I just fill with green here. So this is eval, which is a lot simple. One just for fun. Okay, so I think that should be all for today. Yep, that should be all. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. Before I forgot, I just have to share and then add this one in the description. Before I forgot. And view, not edit mine. Apply, copy. Be here, and then I'll just add this one in the description so you all can download. And then live file. So the link to this file is already added in the description, so anyone can download this. And okay, anything else? Should be all. Yep, that will be all for today. Thanks, Trung and cannot read this app day Corona for joining, and yeah, a lot of support. So see you next time. Bye.